Hi, looky here. We are fishing about 1 to 3 hours ahead of an oncoming coastal storm. This coastal storm is called, I believe it's called ISAIAS, but it's been pronounced a couple different ways. Anyway, right now it's around Hatteras and around Hampton Roads area of Virginia. They're calling for heavy rains tonight here in central Maryland. As you can see in the background, we got clouds. That off in that distance is part of that storm system, which is still about 400 miles away. But anyway, we're trying to get out here ahead of this storm with low pressure building and get a little bit of wind up and see if we can't catch some big panfish. We're looking for big crappies. We're looking for big bluegills, and hope they turn on, because it has been hot, 95 to 100 degrees for a long time, and the water is way down. So we're going to see what we can do today. Hang in there with us, see if we can't catch a couple. We are using a Berkeley Gulp minnow, the 1.5 inch minnow on a 32nd ounce head, and 4-pound test monofilament. Let's see if we can't catch some crappies and bluegills. There's one. Pretty small. Well, even if you're going for eaters, these guys won't quite do it. No. A little teeny bit bigger, but not by much. Yes, sirree. Now that one, if I was really hungry and really wanted crappie fillets bad, I might be able to get a halfway decent fillet off of that one. But I'll settle for 75%. There's one. Another dinkeroo. A dinkeroo black crappie. Yeah. Tell you what, I wish I needed some catfish bait. That'd be kind of nice. Shorten this thing up a little teeny bit. Well, of course the camera was off because I was catching dinks. All of a sudden I caught a nice one. Pretty good one. About 11 and a half. Decent fish. Nice crappie. I'll get a picture. Something is not right. Oh, that's fish. Oh, decent fish. How about that? Well, messing around, catch fish. How about that? Ta-da. There he is. I waited a little teeny bit longer that time, and he got it. Another monster 8-inch crappie. Wow. Oh, what the fish. But it's big. Well, hybrid. Big old hybrid. Look at that. My. My. What a fish. What a fish. That is quite a fish, gentlemen. What a fish. Look at that big old hybrid. Wow. Holy moly. Gotta get a picture of him. Beauty. Just a beauty. And always, best crappie of the day. And the camera is turned off because we had such a lull in the action. Well, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Hit the 32nd ounce jig with the little Berkeley Gulp Mini Lumiglow. Nice fish. Alright, let's get serious here. There we go. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Breakfast of champions. Yeah. That tastes pretty good with all that heat. Of course, we got a lot of calories. And we got a lot of sugars. And we got a lot of total carbs. And hardly any fat. But it sure does taste good when it's 95 degrees out. And the fish are slowing down. Want some? You can have some. Don't want any? I understand. That's a nice fish. Another nice crappie. Ooh, come here, buddy. Come here. Nice. Nice looking fish. Nice looking fish. Wow. Party. There's one. Oh. Another good one. I think. Man, these summer crappies are something. Come on, bear. Come on. Another nice fish, man. Another really nice fish. Look at that. Nice. They just moved in, man. They have just decided to move in this afternoon. Cloud cover has come in, and so have the fish. Okay, here we go. There he goes. I like it. I like it a lot. There he is. Oh, oh. Smaller guy. Oh. He did bounce the bobber. I'll say that. Here. Watching them clouds. See what's happening. Well, we just did beat the raindrops. We had a pretty hard shower here about 10 minutes ago, and had to get the cameras. They didn't have the waterproof cover on them, so I had to get the cameras in, keep them dry. Anyway, we had a real good day. We had 28 crappie. We had 10 of them between 11 and 13 inches. Really nice fish, really nice fish. We put them all back. We had one trophy bluegill over 10, and one real big hybrid sunfish that was close to 10. And so, hey, you know, August the 3rd, I'm tickled. I'm happy with a day like today. August the 3rd, great day to fish. Great day to fish. Okay, so we'll talk to you. And hopefully everybody will survive this big storm coming up the coast. Y'all take care of yourselves and be blessed.